हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू इंग्लिश विद प्रोफेसर तबस्सुम। आज की हमारी वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं आईपीई सेकेंड ईयर फिज़िक्स के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस विच कैन गेट यू 20 मार्क्स. You have to go through these important questions and then you can score 20 marks, okay? So I'm giving you these questions along with the answers chapter wise. First is from chapter 2, ray optics. Question number 1, a small angled prism of 4 deviates a ray through 2.48. Find the refractive index of the mirror. What is myopia? How can it be corrected? What is hypermetropia? How can it be corrected? What is dispersion? Which color gets relatively more dispersed? Define power of a coax lens. What is its units? A concave mirror produces an image of a long vertical pin placed 40 cm from the mirror at the position of the object. Find the focal length of the mirror. So these were the most important, very short, from chapter 2. Chapter 7, moving charges and magnetism. What is the importance of Ørsted's experiment? What is the smallest value of current that can be measured with a moving coil galvanometer? How do you convert a moving coil galvanometer into an ammeter? Distinguish between ammeter and voltmeter. A circular coil of radius r having n turns carries a current I. What is its magnetic moment? What is principle of moving coil galvanometer? Chapter 8, magnetism and matter. What happens to compass needles at the Earth's pole? What are the units of magnetic moment, magnetic induction, and magnetic field? Define magnetic inclination or angle of dip. Classify the following materials with regard to magnetism: manganese, cobalt, nickel, bismuth, oxygen and copper. Magnetic lines form continuous closed loops. Why? Define magnetic declination. What is the magnetic moment associated with a solenoid? What do you understand by the magnetization of a sample? Chapter 11, electromagnetic waves. If the wavelength of electromagnetic radiation is doubled, what happens to the energy of photon? Give any two uses of infrared rays. What are the applications of microwaves? What is the principle of production of electromagnetic waves? Microwaves are used in radars. Why? What is the average wavelength of X-rays? What is the ratio of speed of infrared rays and ultraviolet rays in vacuum? Define power factor. On which factors does power factor depend? Chapter 12, dual nature of radiation and matter. What are cathode rays? What is work function? What is photoelectric effect? Write down Einstein's photoelectric equation. Write down de Broglie's relation and explain the terms therein. State Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Give an example of photosensitive substances, why they are called so. What important fact did Millikan's experiment establish? Chapter 16, communication systems. What are the basic blocks of communication system? What is World Wide Web? Mention the frequency range of speech signals. What is skywave propagation? Mention various parts of ionosphere. Define modulation. Why is it necessary? Mention basic methods of modulation. Which type of communication is employed in mobile phones? What is meant by Wattles component of current? Chapter 10, alternating current. A transformer converts 200 volt AC into 2000 volt AC. Calculate the number of turns in the secondary if the primary has 10 turns IMP. What type of transformer is used in a 6V bed lamp? What type of transformer is used in a 6V bed lamp? What is the phenomenon involved in the working of a transformer? Write the expressions for the reactance of an inductor to a capacitor. When does a LCR series circuit have minimum impedance? Chapter 15, semiconductor electronics. What is a p-type semiconductor? What is the majority and minority charged carriers in it? What is an n-type semiconductor? What is the majority and minority charged carriers in it? What are intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors? What is a p-n junction diode? Define depletion layer. Which gates are called universal gates? What is Zener voltage? And how will a Zener diode be connected in circuits generally? Define amplifier and amplification factor. Draw the circuit symbols for PNP and NPN transistors.